We're back at the Magic Kingdom.
It's very busy.
Yep, it sure is. But to be expected. We're just waiting for the castle lighting show and then the fireworks. And then we're gonna go to our fancy dinner.
Well, not quite. We're gonna go look at the gingerbread.
Well, yes, we're gonna do that too. But we're also gonna go to our fancy dinner.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I told Mark out and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold it together because this morning the castle was lit up and I was already like getting kind of choked up and I was like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? So we'll see.
They were so beautiful though.
It'll be really cool. I'm excited to see it. Who wants to see the sea of people? There they are. Yeah, so it's pretty busy, but honestly, I will say the crowds have not been nearly as terrible as I thought they would be. I mean, yes, it's busy. It for sure is busy, but it's not like you can still move.
Yeah. Well, I think...
You can't frolic, but you can move.
Yeah. Well, I think one thing that really helped us is because we did have reservations and fast passes and stuff. We really, I think, did things right.
Yeah.
And we left Magic Kingdom when it got really busy, like right after the Christmas time parade. And so I think it just helped.
Definitely. Alright, and now we wait.
the door. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
What did we get?
We got some gingerbread.
Yay!
From the gingerbread house.
Also, I think I'm getting sick. I'm almost good. It's fine. I will survive. I want to eat the cookie. I can smell it.
Well, I think you smell the house.
No, I just got a whiff of that chocolate. Wow.
Wow. That's so good.
It's okay.
It's okay?
The chocolate's good. But I've said this before. I'm honestly not a huge fan of gingerbread. Which is fine.
It's so soft and like it's so soft and almost chewy.
Again, it's one of those things, if you love gingerbread, yes, this is delicious. I'm just not the hugest, like, biggest gingerbread person. What up?
More for me.
No. And after this, now we're gonna go to our fancy dinner at California Grill. Found a gingerbread shop.
We did, finally.
We bought one.
Now we have a lot of
We
gingerbread.
bought way too many, but that's fine. But we checked in for our reservation at California Grill, and I'm excited. So now we're just waiting until they call us, and then we'll head on up and do all of that fun stuff. So.
Yep.
And then after that, I want a cupcake.
I don't know if I'm gonna have room for that.
I always have room for that. We looked at the bakery case at Katipo Cafe, and they had some really good ones. So I was like,
Yeah.
we might have to get that. Holy cow, you guys. That was amazing.
That was like mind-blowing. I don't think I've ever in my entire life seen fireworks like that.
Those fireworks were absolutely incredible. I don't think that the videos are going to do them justice, but oh my gosh, you guys. It was so beautiful.
Definitely glad that we saw it in the parks first.
Yes.
And then
because I think it made it that much cooler because we saw it in the parks, but then seeing it up there, it was on such a more grand scale that it was just like, it was crazy. As far as dinner though, we did have a little bit of an issue kind of with our waiter or waitress.
She just went MIA for a while.
Yeah, like after she gave us our bread service, I don't think we saw her again until we were like finished with our meal. So that means like they brought us our appetizers, they brought us our meals. We had to like wave somebody down to get us steak knives, and we had completely finished our meal before we ever saw our waitress again. And it was like, I don't know.
And it took a lot longer than what it
frustrating.
should have.
Yeah.
Granted, they were super busy.
Yeah, it was one of those things, like, I mean, you gotta have grace because it was just busy, and her tables were literally all over the restaurant, which I think is weird, but whatever. So that, I think, was probably the only, well, that was probably the thing that was just the most displeasing. But I feel really sick, not from our food. I think I'm coming down with like a cold or flu or something, some sort of
well, not flu.
I don't know, my body's kind of achy. I don't know, we'll see how I feel tomorrow, but like, my nose is like really congested, and my throat and my ears are really hurting. My body's starting to get kind of achy, but...
Oh, I think that's our minivan.
Oh, our minivan's here. We'll finish this in a second. Pause. So, we're back. We made it to our room. Sorry, we had our minivan showed up, so we had to go. Where did we leave off? Was it me being sick?
Yes.
Yeah, so I don't feel good. I don't know what my deal is, but hopefully I'm feeling better tomorrow. I think we just need some sleep. So we were going to go to Magic Kingdom tonight for extra magic hours.
Yeah, it's open till 2 a.m.
But I'm just like, I need to sleep.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be at Epcot from literally park opening till 2 a.m. tomorrow. And then we're going to maybe go to Galaxy's Edge at 4 in the morning the next day. So,
yeah, so we're going to get some sleep.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that so I can try and hopefully feel a little bit better, but
yeah. So
I'm excited for tomorrow.
With that being said, I'm gonna abruptly end this vlog so we can actually get some sleep.
If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you're subscribed, and comment down below, what do you do when you're sick at Disney? Alright guys, that's all we have for you today, and we'll see you next time. Good night.
Bye.